Hello student, welcome to this lecture on trigonometric ratios of allied and compound angles. In this lecture, we are going to study some of the revision of trigonometry. Here, we are going to consider one triangle. Now, trigonometry for this, we are going to discuss with this triangle ABC. This is a right angle triangle in front of you. This is 90 degrees. Angle B is 90 degree and this is angle theta. Okay. So for this triangle ABC, we are going to study various trigonometric ratios of the trigonometry. So what are the trigonometric ratios? We know that this line AC is hypotenuse. Okay. AC is the hypotenuse of this triangle. BC is adjacent side. Now adjacent side of this theta is BC and opposite side, this is opposite side. Okay. So these are the basic things we need to know for this right angle triangle. Now, for this right angle triangle, we are going to study various trigonometric ratios. So, first of all, I will start with sin theta. Okay. In short, I will write only SIN, that is a sin theta. Now, what is the definition of sin theta? Sin theta means if this is the angle theta, then its opposite side is AB. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So, its definition is in this way: opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Okay. So opposite side, we know that it is AB upon AC. Then next ratio is cos theta. Cos theta's definition is in this way: theta is this angle. Now, if we want to find out cos of this angle, then it will be adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So, I will write here adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Now, what is the adjacent side here? BC, and hypotenuse we know that it is AC. So, BC divided by AC. Next definition is tan theta. Okay, so tan theta is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side divided by adjacent side. And it is nothing but opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC. In this way. Next ratio is cot theta. Okay. Now definition of cot theta is adjacent side divided by opposite side. Adjacent side divided by opposite side. So, adjacent side is BC upon AB. Okay. From this, what I can write here, tan theta is nothing but sin theta upon cos theta. Okay. And it is cos theta upon sin theta. In this way. Next ratio is cosec theta. Cosec theta's definition is hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Hypotenuse divided by opposite side. So it will be AC upon AB. And lastly, now here one more thing is cosec theta is nothing but 1 upon sin theta. And lastly, sec theta's definition is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Divided by adjacent side. Okay, and its answer is AC upon BC, and it is nothing but 1 upon cos theta. So this is the basic thing about this right angle triangle. For this right angle triangle, we can define all the trigonometric ratio. These are called as trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosec theta, and sec theta. So keep the note of this. Now we are going to find out various trigonometric values for the angle 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So what are the values of these 6 trigonometric ratios that we know: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta, and cot theta. So if we want to find out values for this table, we have to learn this table. But before that, we should know what should be done to prepare this table. Now, once you know how to find out values of these trigonometric ratios, you can find out it very quickly. So, let's see how to find out them. यहाँ पर करना क्या है हमें कि ये सब वैल्यूज हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है 6 ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज के लिए. तो स्टार्ट यहाँ से करेंगे. राइट डाउन 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now divide this all term by 4. So 0 को अगर 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे it will become 0. This will become 1 by 4. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. 3 by 4. 4 by 4 is 1. Okay, क्या क्या हमने write down sequence from 0 to 4. Okay, then divide by 4 here to each and every number. We get this. Now take the square root of each and every term. So अगर यहाँ पर square root लेंगे तो क्या होगा? 0 का square root है 0, 1 by 4 का है 1 by 2. Then its square is 1 upon root 2. This is root 3 by 2 and 1 का square root है 1. And this is the value of sin theta. Means sin of 0 degree will be 0, sin of 30 degree will be 1 by 2, sin of 45 degree will be 1 upon root 2. In this way, we can find out values of sin for this each and every angle here. So, in this way, we have got sin theta here. Now, we will find out cos theta. ओके, तो cos का अगर फाइंड आउट करना है तो सिर्फ ये जो sin थीटा के वैल्यूज है वो रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिखेंगे. तो रिवर्स ऑर्डर में अगर लेंगे तो क्या होगा? ये 1 यहाँ पर आ जाएगा, रूट 3 बाई 2, 1 अपॉन रूट 2, 1 बाई 2 एंड 0. ये सब वैल्यूज हमने रिवर्स करके यहाँ पर दे दिया. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है tan थीटा. नाउ वी नो दैट tan थीटा की डेफिनेशन क्या है? tan थीटा इज नथिंग बट sin थीटा अपॉन cos थीटा. मींस अगर tan की वैल्यू चाहिए तो sin थीटा की वैल्यू को cos थीटा से डिवाइड करना है. सो sin अपॉन cos मींस 0 upon 1 is 0, 1 upon 2 and root 3 upon 2. 2 gets cancelled, we get 1 upon root 3. Then root 2 cancel, we get only 1. Then 2 gets cancelled, we get root 3 and 1 upon 0 is infinity. 1 को अगर 0 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो anything divided by 0 is infinity, so we get not defined answer. Okay, next is cot theta. Now we know that tan theta, or we can say cot theta, is 1 upon tan theta. मीन्स अगर tan थीटा के वैल्यूज का हम रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे, व्हाट वी विल गेट? दैट वी गेट tan cot थीटा. सो रेसिप्रोकल अगर लेंगे या फिर इसको रिवर्स ऑर्डर में भी लिख सकते हैं तो क्या होगा? इन्फिनिटी, रूट 3, 1 अपॉन रूट 3 एंड 0. इन दिस वे वी गॉट वैल्यू ऑफ cot थीटा. नेक्स्ट इज कोसेक थीटा। नाउ कोसेक थीटा का डेफिनेशन क्या है? कोसेक थीटा इज नथिंग बट 1 अपॉन साइन थीटा। सो 1 अपॉन साइन थीटा मीन्स 0 का रेसिप्रोकल 0, 1 अपॉन 0 इज इंफिनिटी, देन 1 अपॉन 2 का रेसिप्रोकल आएगा 2, इसका रेसिप्रोकल √2, देन 2 अपॉन √3 आई विल राइट, देन 1 का रेसिप्रोकल है 1। नेक्स्ट थिंग इज सेक थीटा। सो सेक थीटा की वैल्यू अगर फाइंड आउट करनी है तो सेक थीटा के लिए क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पर किसका रेसिप्रोकल है, यहाँ पर डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे सेक थीटा इज नथिंग बट 1 अपॉन कॉस थीटा। सो कॉस थीटा की जो वैल्यूज है उसका रेसिप्रोकल अगर करेंगे तो 1 का रेसिप्रोकल है 1, √3 अपॉन 2 का रेसिप्रोकल है 2 अपॉन √3, ओके, देन इट्स √2, इसका रेसिप्रोकल है 2 और 0 का रेसिप्रोकल इज infinity in this way. So in this way we have got all the values of 6 trigonometric ratios for various angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree. Now here I have written that 30 degree is nothing but pi by 6. Similarly 45 degree is pi by 4, 60 degree can be written as pi by 3 and 90 degree is nothing but pi by 2. Now this is in the unit degrees and this is the radian form. तो यहाँ पर हमने एंगल को कौन से फॉर्म में लिखा है, डिग्रीज में, और पाई बाय 6 जो है वो है रेडियन में। तो डिग्रीज को रेडियन में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है, यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे कि 30 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 6 क्यों है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू राइट डाउन दिस table in your notebook and then we will discuss how degrees can be converted into radians. So write down this. Now to convert degrees into radians, there is a one formula. 1 degree is equals to pi upon 180 radians. Okay, this is the notation for radian. So 1 degree is equals to pi by 180. So if we want to find out 30 degrees value, so 30 degree will be equals to 30 into pi upon 180, यानी जिस एंगल को हमें डिग्रीज में से रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करना है तो उस नंबर को हमें किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, पाई अपॉन 180 से। नाउ वी नो दैट 3 6 आर 18, सो पाई अपॉन 6, सो 30 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू क्या है, पाई बाय 6। इन दिस वे वी गॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ 30 डिग्री। नेक्स्ट थिंग इज 45 डिग्री। 45 डिग्री को कन्वर्ट अगर करना है तो 45 इंटू पाई बाय 180, 45 4s आर 180, so it is pi by 4. So we can write 45 degree is equals to pi by 4. Then next angle is 60 degree. 60 degree into pi upon 180. This is in the radian. We are going to convert this into degree radians. So 6 3s are 18. We get pi by 3. So 60 degree is nothing but pi by 3 radian. Next is 90 degree. 90 degree is equals to 90 into pi upon 180. So ये तो 9 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा, सो 90 डिग्री इज नथिंग बट पाई बाय 2. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट एंगल वी विल डिस्कस 180 डिग्री. 180 डिग्री को अगर कन्वर्ट करना है तो 180 को हमें पाई अपॉन 180 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. 180 गेट्स कैंसल एंड 180 डिग्रीज इज नथिंग बट पाई रेडियन. Next angle is 270 degree. 270 degree into pi upon 180. Now यहाँ पर डिवीजन अगर करेंगे तो 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 3 पाई, या फिर 9 से भी कर सकते हैं. सो 9 3s are 27, 9 2s are 18. So 3 pi by 2. So 270 degrees is 3 pi by 2. And lastly, suppose I want to find out value of 360 degree. 360 degree will be equals to 360 into pi upon 180. 0 gets cancelled and this is 2. So 2 pi. 360 degrees is equals to 2 pi. This value we should remember that 30 degree is pi by 6, 45 degree is pi by 4, 60 degrees value is pi by 3 in radian, 90 degree is pi by 2, 180 is equals to pi, 270 degrees is equals to 3 pi by 2, and 360 degrees is equals to 2 pi. So write down this. We are going to discuss here only basics of trigonometry. This is one more important topic. Trigonometric ratios of minus theta means if angle is in the negative form, if there is a minus sign to any angle, then what will be the values of 6 trigonometric ratios. So first of all, I will start with here sine of minus theta. Okay. So if sine of minus theta is there, then what happens? This minus sign is written in front of sine and it becomes plus. So sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. For example, if I write sine of minus 30 degree, I will write minus of sine 30 degree, and you know that value of sine 30 is 1 by 2. So our answer will be minus 1 by 2. This is first. Second thing is cos of minus theta is equals to, it is only positive cos theta. Then third is tan of minus theta will be equals to minus tan of theta. Fourth is cot theta. Cot minus theta will be again equals to minus of cot theta. Okay. Fifth one is cosec of minus theta will be minus of cosec theta. Now here you can observe sin theta का रेसिप्रोकल है, cosec theta का रेसिप्रोकल है sin theta. तो अगर sin नेगेटिव माइनस दे रहा है तो यहाँ पर cosec भी माइनस ही देगा. Then 6 is sec of minus theta will be equals to positive sec theta. So these are very important basic things about negative angle. If we take negative angle of these trigonometric ratios, then we get value as such. Write down this. Then now one more thing we shall study here. Suppose sine of pi. Now sine of n pi is equals to 0, and next is cos of n pi, it is equal to plus 1 is n is even. First of all, we shall study about only sine of n pi. Suppose if we take any value of n, means कोई भी एक नंबर लेंगे यहाँ पर n मल्टीपल में, तो यहाँ पर sin n pi की वैल्यू हमेशा क्या है? 0. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई राइट sin of pi, it will be 0. Sin of 2 pi, it will be 0. Sin of 5 pi लिया, that will be 0. मीन्स पाई का कुछ भी मल्टीपल हो तो यहाँ पर साइन की वैल्यू क्या आती है? 0 आती है. एंड नेक्स्ट थिंग इज अबाउट cos थीटा. आई विल राइट cos of n pi is equals to, नाउ cos of n pi की अगर वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी मीन्स यहाँ पर n कोई भी एक नंबर है और मल्टीपल में अगर पाई है तो इट्स वैल्यू इज 1 if n is even and its value is -1 if n is odd. Okay? So if I write here cos of pi, now cos pi, यहाँ पर pi का मल्टीपल है 1, so cos pi will be a -1 value because 1 is odd. If I write cos of 2 pi, मल्टीपल चेक करना है, इवन है, इवन अगर है तो cos of 2 pi की वैल्यू क्या आएगी +1. Similarly if I write cos of 3 pi, so pi का मल्टीपल है एक ऑड नंबर, so its value will be -1. If I write cos of 4 pi, its value will be +1 because of this condition. So write down this also. Now next is fundamental identities of trigonometry. I will write here first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Okay, this is first identity. Second identity is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and third identity is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Now these identity can be used in different ways. अगर यहाँ पर sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to रहा तो आंसर है 1. From this I can write cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Means cos square की वैल्यू चाहिए तो it will become 1 minus this will become minus, and similarly sin square theta की वैल्यू क्या होती है 1 minus cos square theta. Means from this fundamental identity we can derive two equations in this way. From this what I can write, tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1, and also what I can write, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to क्या है 1. Next is, so from this I can derive these two identities, and next is cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta minus 1. ये -1 यहाँ पर शिफ्ट किया, it will become minus, and further what we can write, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to answer is 1. So from this we can derive identities and which can be used in examples. Now this is again a very important concept of this chapter, that is quadrant system. Now we know that these are the quadrants. This is first quadrant, okay, this is called as second quadrant system, and this is third quadrant, and this is called as fourth quadrant. Okay, so what are the various values of trigonometric ratios? So in the first quadrant, in this all trigonometric ratios are positive. Means sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, all 6 becomes positive in this first quadrant. In this quadrant only sin is positive and its reciprocal is what? Cosec. Its reciprocal is positive, so only these are positive and rest of the terms are negative. Means अगर second quadrant का angle है तो second quadrant में क्या होगा, only sin will give us positive value and its reciprocal will give us positive value, and rest of the things will be negative here. Next is third quadrant. Now in the third quadrant, only tan is positive and its reciprocal is positive. So tan and cot are positive and rest of the things are negative here. And here cos theta, its reciprocal is sec theta, is positive only. And what happens here, all the terms except cos and sec will be here negative. यहाँ पर फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट एंड फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. इफ यू ऑब्जर्व हियर, ऑल स्टूडेंट्स टेक कॉफी. अगर आपको यहाँ पर लर्न करना है तो कैसे लर्न करना है, ऑल स्टूडेंट्स टेक कॉफी, और उसके रेसिप्रोकल भी क्या होते हैं यहाँ पर, पॉजिटिव होते हैं. तो इन दिस वे वी शुड लर्न. दिस इज द क्वाड्रेंट सिस्टम ऑफ द ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज. राइट डाउन दिस. So this is all for today's lecture. We shall meet in the next video, which will be on allied angle of trigonometric ratios. For this, we are going to study various values of trigonometric ratios of allied angle, and we are going to make table for this. Now, if you like this video, you should watch them frequently and like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for listening.